easy last-minute Halloween looks you can nail. I'm Lanique. I'm a beauty expert here at JCPenney, and this week, we've got a very special episode for you. Spooky season is nearly upon us. That might mean you're planning your costume for the big Halloween party, or maybe you're watching this on Halloween and you need a last-minute idea. Either way, we've got your back because we're covering 3 simple makeup looks that are sure to impress. I know not all Halloween looks are going to be for everyone, which is why we've chosen 3 super different options so you can still find something for you. Our goal is to give you a good place to start no matter what aesthetic you're going for. We've got a jester girl, a groovy girl, and of course, a ghoulish girl, but with a glamorous twist. To get these looks, we'll be sharing some of our favorite tips and tricks, as well as some amazing products that you can find at JCPenney Beauty. We know that you can nail each Halloween look with the help of a few of our favorites, like the Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner, an eyeshadow palette from Amma Beauty, and a bright bold lip from Lime. Whether you're aiming for the perfect wing or trying a more artistic flair, these products are bound to make a lasting impression. We're about to dive in, so if you already know what you're going for, feel free to jump ahead using the chapters at the bottom. Our first look is all about being fun, playful, and maybe even a little alluring. Think carnival vibes, but with a high fashion twist. This look is vibrant, bold, and mischievous. Of course, we're talking about Jester Chic. From a bright red lip to bold, exaggerated eyes, everything about this look is meant to be daring and unapologetic. The Jester look is one for anyone wanting to have a little fun and break free from their routine. This is the perfect night to let loose with some bright colors and bold choices, all while adding a little hint of danger. We're going to walk you through how to achieve this look so you can feel confident that your makeup is on point and in character. First off, we're going to create a dramatic eye design. Start with the Kitty Eyeliner Duo from Jason Wu. This liner is all about precise, sharp lines, perfect for our look. Use the felt tip liquid liner to etch out the outline of your design. Don't be afraid to go big. This makeup is meant to be a little extra. Getting some iconic shapes in there is going to help too. Some diamonds, circles, and triangles throughout can help take this look even further. If you want to add some smoky depth, you can use the pencil side of the liner duo to smudge certain areas of your design. Once you've got that in place, it's time to add some color. This is where one of our favorite eyeshadow palettes comes in, the Revival palette from Shades by Shan. You have endless possibilities to fill in your Jester design. Remember, this character is all about taking risks and being fearless. You can either go for brighter colors to emphasize the playful aspect of the Jester, or you can stick to darker hues for a more mysterious feel. Either way, don't hold back. This is the one day a year where no one is going to judge you for wearing too much makeup. Now, let's move on to the lashes. Lily Lashes is one of our top picks because it's going to give you that ultra bold length and fullness that is absolutely perfect for our Jester Girl look. They're easy to apply and to remove too, which is always nice once your night has wrapped up and you need to start your bedtime routine. Last but not least, this look needs some fiery red lips. Lime Soft Touch Lipstick comes in Radical Red, and it is literally perfect for this. This lipstick is as smooth as butter and gives you a matte finish without drying out your lips. And with that, you're all set to recreate this look and make a real entrance. Our next look, the Groovy Girl, is all about channeling those cool, carefree 70s vibes. We want to give a nod to the era of peace, love, and really great hair. The Groovy Girl look is the perfect look for anyone wanting to let their hair down, unleash their inner free spirit, and relive the disco era, all with a modern, fashionable twist. To get this look, you'll want to start with your eyes. These are the real star of this makeup look. Sweep on the vibrant colors from the Prados Beauty 2.0 palette. This palette has one of the best mixes of creams, reds, greens, blues, and purples that we've seen. They're all heavily pigmented, so it will help give you that 70s color blocking we're going for, whether you're wanting a more daring cut crease or opting for a softer, more sultry look. This palette will be your ultimate playground. For those signature retro dramatic wings, you'll want to use the Ico Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner. It's smudge-proof for that perfect, precise line. For people who may be less experienced with eyeliner, this is also a really user-friendly product. The deep black hue adds an intensity that complements the bold eyeshadow and adds a sultry edge to the playful color palette. Next, you can create a youthful, flushed effect using another wonderful Jason Wu product, the Beauty Blush Trio in Earth. This silky, blendable powder trio will give your cheeks a glowing, sun-kissed color. Just sweep these across your cheekbones to add a touch of natural warmth to your look. To create the adorable faux freckles, this Lime Crime Freckle Pen is your go-to. This pen lets you dot on freckles with ease, giving your skin a natural sun-kissed look without the sun damage. Scatter these across your cheeks and nose for an added bit of irresistible charm. Now that you've got your eyes and face ready to go, your lips are up next. A perfect pout is crucial to our groovy girl look. Break out that Lime Crime lipstick again, but instead of the bright red, reach for the shade Vintage Spice. This really throws it back to the retro era and will be the perfect complement to your Halloween look. Finally, elevate your look with Lily Lashes, specifically the stripped down style. These give your eyes an extra pop without overwhelming the look. The result? A proper 70s look that will give off effortless, authentic energy. For our final transformation, we're stepping into the enchantingly dark world of the ghoulish girl. This look marries the avant-garde with a touch of gothic romance. This is a look that will make Jenna Ortega proud. So get ready to rock some goth glam and unleash the ultimate Halloween spirit. Let's start with the eyes, which are the windows to your gothic soul. Uoma Beauty's Aphrodisiac Liquid Eyeliner will be your weapon of choice for this transformation. With an ultra-fine felt tip, this eyeliner delivers a deeply intense, water-resistant formula with smooth precision. Of course, it's going to be jet black to nail the look. Use it to create a bold, striking wing. Complement the dramatic liner with Uoma Beauty's Black Magic Palette. This is a limited edition palette that has a ton of amazing color shifting, chromatic pigments. It also has super pigmented matte shadows. So whether you want to keep your eyes matte or add a little sparkle, you can do both while still matching the ghoulish girl spirit. Next up is the lips. And if you haven't guessed it by now, we're going with the color black. We'll be returning to our old friend, the matte liquid lip from Lime Crime. But this time, we're grabbing the velvet black shade. The black shade demands attention, but Lime Crime's wonderful formulas will barely need any touch-ups. For an even longer lasting color, consider laying it over Lime Crime's Ghost Veil Lip Primer. Finally, accentuate your eyes with the falsies from Lily Lashes. Their lashes in Miami are the perfect volume and length for this look. Easy to apply and remove, these lashes are the final piece of your transformation into the ghoulish girl. Remember, whatever look you're going for this Halloween, it isn't just about makeup. It's about your willingness to go out on a limb, try something new, and have some fun. Now that you've got the base looks down, there are a few final touches you might want to add. Lime Crime has these super cute face stickers that bring an unexpected pop to your design. Or, if you're looking for something a little more natural looking, you can add some designs to your skin with the Ink by Danny Tattoo Kit. These temporary tattoos will give you a little bit of nostalgia while taking your Halloween costume to the next level. And because the only costume that should be melting is the Wicked Witch of the West, you're going to want a setting spray. The Beauty Magic Spell setting spray from Jason Wu will lock in your look and keep your makeup going strong all night long. Once these final touches work their magic, you'll be fully transformed into something absolutely bewitching. And that's all we've got for you today. I hope this has helped you nail your Halloween look and that you win best costume at every party. If you still need some tips or tricks or need help achieving the look you have in mind, stop into any JCPenney and our experts would love to help you out. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to stay up to date on all things makeup, hair, and skincare at JCPenney. We'd also love to hear about your favorite Halloween hacks, so comment yours below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Happy Halloween!